Alright guys, on today's episode we're going to show you how to remove these emblems. They're 3M tape adhesive on without damaging the paint and with removing any evidence that they were there already. Here goes. Step 1, just clean the area. Got to get rid of any dirt or anything around it. I mean, you're not going to get the dirt that's in between the letters very well. You could pressure wash it and scrub it with a big soapy pad, maybe, I don't know. But for our intents and purposes, we want to just get the most of it off there. There we go. There's still a little bit in between, but that can't be helped right now. So our next step. Now you clean the dirt off for this step. We wet it again. Take a nice clean razor blade with a good edge, brand new preferably, and you just slowly apply pressure with the edge of the blade against the paint and just let it glide. You use that Windex as a gliding agent, lubricant, whatever you want to call it, and you just take your time. And before you know it, you're done. See that? If you wanted to reapply these emblems, you could clean that adhesive off, and then you could reapply 3M tape, use an X-Acto blade or something really sharp, and cut off the excess so they look right. I would run a tape line, and then line up each one of my letters. I'd space them as good as I could, the whole deal. So from there, we want to clean it again and dry it really well. So once you're satisfied it's dry, then we are going to use a 3M decal eraser. Now you have to have a little bit of caution. You use it, but you don't push into the paint. You don't hold it in one spot for very long, because this will heat up enough. It'll cause friction, and it will burn through the paint. It'll discolor the clear coat. It can make a mess. So right now we've got a nice bright white paint. We want to keep it that way. That's it. The reason for using the decal eraser instead of scrubbing it off by hand or with like a grease and tar remover is you will always see the imprint of the emblem after the fact. The decal eraser levels the surface out and makes it so you don't see anything was ever there. There we are. Clean. If you wanted to go the next step, you could polish that area with a very, very light cup polish. But if I zoom you in, there is no evidence that it was ever there. So for all of you that want to debadge your vehicles, keep that in mind. Nice simple trick, only takes a couple minutes. Just be patient, be relaxed. Use proper razor blades and use some lubricant, just plain Windex, dollar store brand, whatever. And I highly recommend these decal erasers. This one's made by 3M. I'm sure there's other companies. I'm not endorsing 3M. I'm just saying these ones always work for me. I just put it in a drill on low speed. Take your time. All right. Hope you enjoyed that little video. And have fun debadging your cars, guys.